Hey, today I'm going to be going over how to create a new note template in Lyrebird. Now, we're going to be using the example of creating a SOAP template. However, the methods that we learn can be used to create any type of template or personalize existing ones. So let's get started. From the Lyrebird homepage, you'll want to navigate to the Note Templates page. And from here, you can create a new note template by clicking on this plus button here. Now you'll be prompted to name the template. For now, I'll call it Demo, and then select which type of consult this template will apply to. I'll just keep this as both for now, and then give it a quick description. Awesome. So that'll take you to the main personalization page. From here, you'll see a little indicator in the top right, which is telling you that Lyrebird is continually saving your progress as you go. Just below, you can rename the template. So I'll call this Justin's new SOAP template. Cool. And then over on the right-hand side is the preview panel. Now here you'll be able to continually test and iterate your template by creating real examples from your most recent 10 patients. Now, if you don't have any patients, or if you just want to use an anonymous patient, Lyrebird can actually generate a completely fake mock patient along with a mock consult, which will sort of give you an example output that your template might produce. Cool, so let's get started in making the basic structure of our template. We'll see that we already have one section in here by default, so let's name this to subjective. Below this, you can select, using these toggles, the desired length of this section, and then you can give it instructions as to what actually goes under this section. So I'll say, in this section, document the patient's presenting problem. Awesome. And then you can click Add Section in order to create a new section. So I'll create a new section and call it Assessment. Create one more called Objective. And finally, the plan section. Awesome. So a few other things you can do. You can reorder sections in order to suit what you would like. You can also delete sections by clicking Hide this section in the top right. What that'll do is it will opt out that section from being produced in your notes, and you can always recover it later by clicking Click to Recover, and it will reappear. Awesome. So that's how you outline the structure of the note template. If you'd like to do more personalization and fine-tuning, you can head over to the Global Preferences tab. Here you can define personalization that will affect the entire note. So for example, I could say, please make the template as succinct as possible. Awesome. Now what you can also do is define the sentence structure that will be used in the note. So out of paragraph, dot points, or dashes. If you would like more granular control, what you can do is you can enable this toggle. And if we go back to the customize sections page, you can see that I now actually have the option to select paragraph, dot points, or dashes on a section by section level. So let's say I'm fine with dot points for the first 3 sections, but I would like the plan section to output in a paragraph form. I can do that. And I'll just quickly go over the final settings where you can select some of that data that you've selected at the start. Cool. So now that we've done that, let's actually see an example output. So I'll go to the Select Patient button in the top right, and I'll click Mock Patient. And you'll see that Lyrebird will generate a mock consultation following the template that we've just constructed on the left-hand side. Just to show you the power of this personalization, what I can do is, for example, rename the subjective section to Introduction. You can tell that I didn't go to med school. If I collapse this section, let's say that I'd like objective to come after assessment for some reason. And let's say that I want the plan section now to output in dashes instead of paragraph form. Once I've made those changes, you can see that they've been saved in the top right. And I'll go back to the Select Patient button and generate another consultation, just to confirm that the changes I've made are behaving the way I want to. So you can see that Lyrebird has used Introduction as the first title. It's put assessment before the objective section, and it has outputted the plan in dashes. Awesome. So if we save and exit, we can see the template that we've just made sitting here. Now what we can do, by clicking these three dots, we can duplicate the template. We can also archive the template, which will essentially hide it from your template, which will essentially hide it from your dropdown, but of course it's still recoverable. And we can also delete the template forever. Now, how do we actually use the template that we've made? Just made in a real life consultation? All you have to do is go back to the consult page, and in this note type dropdown, we'll see the template that we've just made sitting at position 4. We can click this, and now that I've selected this template, all I have to do is start listening and begin my consultation. Awesome. So I hope this tutorial has been really helpful in teaching you how to create and edit new note templates in Lyrebird. Please feel free to reach out to our team if you have any questions or need any help at all. Thanks so much.